Welcome back to UltFone channel. Found an old iPhone 13 at home but forgot the lock screen passcode? Or maybe you bought a used iPhone that's still locked. In cases like these, a factory reset is usually the quickest way to get the device working again. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset an iPhone 13 without a password. These methods also work with most other iPhone models. Let's get started. Method 1. Erase the iPhone directly from the iPhone Unavailable Screen. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times, your iPhone may show the iPhone Unavailable Screen. Look for the Erase iPhone option in the bottom right corner and tap it. Then enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Once the iPhone restarts, you can set it up again and create a new lock screen passcode. But what if you forgot your Apple ID password too? Don't worry. There are still other ways to reset an iPhone 13 without the passcode. Method 2. Restore the iPhone with iTunes. First, connect your iPhone to a computer. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now, open iTunes on your computer. You should see a message asking whether you want to update or restore the iPhone. Choose Restore. iTunes will download the iOS firmware and factory reset your iPhone 13. Once it's finished, you can set up the device again. However, iTunes doesn't always work perfectly. Sometimes it won't recognize the iPhone, or it may get stuck during the restore. If that happens, you can try a simpler option. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS system repair. UltFone is beginner-friendly and can help fix different iOS system problems. It also lets you reset an iPhone with just a few clicks. Connect your iPhone to the computer and open UltFone iOS system repair. Instead of manually putting the iPhone into recovery mode, you can simply click the option in UltFone to enter recovery mode, and the device will do it automatically. Next, click One-Click Reset, choose Factory Reset, and download the required firmware package. Once the firmware is ready, click Start Reset. After around 10 minutes, the reset should be complete. The iPhone Unavailable Screen will be gone, and you can set up your iPhone again just like a new device. And that's how to factory reset an iPhone 13 without a password. Just keep in mind that a factory reset erases the data on the device, and if activation lock is enabled, you may still need the Apple account previously linked to the iPhone during setup. That's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.